Okay, I looked at the light inside the furnace, in that little hole right here. It showed steady on, so it's not shooting on any codes. So I'm going to remove the front cover and we'll take a look. Alright, I'm going to shut it off, turn it back on. Got nothing. The next thing I did was I disconnected the red and white from the thermostat. And make sure it's from the thermostat, not the AC unit. Now I'm going to jump the thermostat out. So it's the red and white to come off the board. Or it's marked R and W. Alright, we started running. So I'm just going to jump this out for now. We'll see if it's a problem with the furnace or a problem with the unit. Alright, let's see what happens. Now we have the thermostat jumped up on the heating side of it. Our ignition came on, it's running. But we don't have any ignition or blood oil coming on. Alright, we have a slight problem there, I guess. Okay, well here I want to jump out the switch. Just to eliminate that. Alright, we still have nothing, so I'm going to jump on the igniter on this one. Okay, next I'm going to take the igniter out. And this one is real easy to get to. Let's take a look at it. Alright, the other thing I did was check the ohms on the igniter. Took an eye and looked at it and it looked good. And I'm getting a reading here. So I know there's a pathway through there. And it's currently running though, so. And I'm not really sure what was wrong, why, but whatever was wrong, it's not doing it now. The only other thing I checked was the blower. Just make sure that comes on. But everything's fine there. Now we have our coil come on. We got ignition. Fans on and the burners look good. Nice and steady. We're not blowing on at us. We're going in real nice. So whatever the probe was, it's gone now. So I'm gonna throw it back together and get out of here.